Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Risha Fatima from CID News Network, Islamabad. Separate rallies led by different members of the PDM, a 10-party opposition alliance, have reached Islamabad for the protest. United States' new elected President Joe Biden plans to issue the rescinding of the controversial ban on several predominantly Muslim countries. Pakistani American Salman Ahmed joins Joe Biden's foreign policy team as a director of policy planning in the United States Department. Turkey is ready for cooperation with Iraq against PKK terror group, said by the defense minister. Doha is hopeful that new peace talks between Tehran and Gulf Arab states will take place. A missing Russian-American climber, Alex Goldfarb, found dead in the mountains of Pakistan. Pakistan COVID-19 death toll crosses 11,000. Pakistan approves Chinese Sinopharm corona vaccine for emergency use.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.